Imagine opening Netflix after a long day. Within seconds, it shows you movies and shows that feel almost perfectly chosen for you. It's not random, it feels personal, almost like Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch. That experience is not luck. It is the result of one of the most powerful strategies in modern marketing, data-driven marketing. Netflix doesn't rely on guesswork to understand its audience. Instead, it collects and analyzes massive amounts of data about user behavior. What you watch, how long you watch, when you pause, what you skip, and even what you search for. This data allows Netflix to build detailed profiles of its users and understand their preferences at a deep level. In marketing terms, this is called behavioral data analysis, where decisions are based on real user actions rather than assumptions. One of the most powerful uses of this data is personalization. Netflix doesn't show the same homepage to everyone. Each user sees a different set of recommendations based on their viewing history. Even the thumbnails of shows can change depending on what type of content a user prefers. This level of personalization increases engagement because users are more likely to watch content that matches their interests. Netflix also uses data to guide its content strategy. Instead of relying only on creative intuition, the company analyzes viewing patterns to decide what type of content to produce. For example, the success of shows like House of Cards was influenced by data showing that audiences enjoyed political dramas, certain actors, and specific storytelling styles. This approach reduces risk and increases the chances of success. Another key element of Netflix's strategy is predictive marketing. By analyzing past behavior, Netflix can predict what users are likely to watch next. This allows the platform to recommend content at the right time, keeping users engaged for longer periods. The more users watch, the more data Netflix collects, creating a continuous cycle of improvement. Netflix's marketing is also highly efficient because it targets the right audience with the right content. Instead of promoting every show to everyone, Netflix uses data to identify which users are most likely to enjoy a specific show and promotes it directly to them. This makes marketing more precise and reduces unnecessary spending. The success of Netflix shows that in today's world, data is one of the most valuable assets in marketing. Companies that can collect, analyze, and use data effectively can create highly personalized experiences that keep customers engaged and loyal. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how Tesla built a global brand with almost no traditional advertising.